Entrepreneur and businessman late J N Bawri's statue was unveiled on his 103rd birth anniversary at a function held in front of the Bawri Mansions in Dhankheti, Shillong. Erected by one of his sons, Pawan Bawri, the statue was a gesture to pay respect to the life and contributions of his late father, who was a man of great personality and one who embraced all communities of Shillong and taking them progressively forward with a modern approach. Late Bawri's children and family members paid respect to their late father and grandfather through stories of their association with him and his influence upon each one of their lives. Noted personalities present during the occasion included Toki Blah, Dr. Daljit Singh Sethi, Ratan Sethia, Naba Bhattacharya and Bimal Bajaj. Late Bawri's close aides and staff members were also felicitated during the special event held today.
Bawri wants to go back again and again to invite the wisdom, the knowledge, the sagacity and the wisdom of this legend. I met him quite late, like in around 2005-06. And when I first met him, I recounted to him that, sir, when we were young, we heard from our elders about an iconic figure known as J N Bawri. At one point of time in the 1950s, there was a football club known as the Dhankheti football club. And J N Bawri was a great member of that club. And these were the stories he used to tell us about whenever they played in polo ground from the Dhankheti club, about the fights, the fisticuffs that they used to have, and how we enjoyed being there. Those were the days when, there was no such issue as travel and travel and, all of us were brothers and sisters together. And this was one of the main topics that J N Bawri used to like to talk about. Remembering those old days and wishing that they were back again.